He goes right on right against Butterworth. And the first pitch is a fastball that is taken high for ball one. Butterworth awaits the 1-0. And it's in for a called strike. Fastball at 93. The 1-1. Butterworth fouls it back. The 1-2. Butterworth gulfs it up. High in the air, out to second. Exposito, the second baseman on the infield dirt, has it. And there's the first down of the inning. From Prince George's Stadium, first to Aaron Estrada. The next, Estrada stares at a strike on the outside edge. Loaded back in the fifth. 0-2. He casts one foul to stay alive. Go leans back, and now he throws. And Estrada rolls it to second. Exposito nearly has it eat him up, but he's able to stick with it and throw out his counterpart at second base. Here is Sosa, the big lefty, fouls back the first pitch. 0-1 is just a bit outside. Good take. 1-1, and he fouls it back again. The 1-2. Sosa watches down on a 2 balls, 2 strikes. Here's the pitch, and Sosa takes inside and hip high. That'll force a full count. 3-2, and Sosa knuckles another one foul. Payoff pitch. Sosa ropes it past the outstretched glove of the first baseman Jenkins, and it rattles into the right field corner. It's plucked there by Bigby, and Sosa will jog into second base standing. First pitch, swing and a miss. As the 0-1 is in the dirt. Break from Sosa, the throw down to third base, the tag, not in time. Sosa gets in there. The pitch. Anderson foul tips it into Lee's mitt. The 2-2 is outside. Payoff pitch is on the outside corner, a called strike 3. Fastball just deemed to have grazed the zone by Brooks Pritchett. Los Santos to start. And the first pitch is hit on a line. It's off the glove of the third baseman Pacheco. Grabbed by the shortstop Graham. Throws to first and got him. And the first to Hodo is whisked foul. The great play. The 0-1 pitch is popped up. Shallow right field. It's Bigby racing over towards the line, and it drops down foul. Resting the bat on his right shoulder. The 1-2 is socked to center, but it's going to hang up for Stevenson. Cruises underneath to make the catch. Triple-digit exit velo for Hodo. 1-0. Young stares at a strike. The 18 that we're playing in the WBC. 1-1 to Young is slightly rolled up the first baseline. It's going to stay fair over the bag. Jenkins will take himself, and the inning is over. Alex Wells pitched for Team Australia, and Taran Vavra and Mark Cervenka